Hey everyone, welcome aboard. Today we're going to be taking a look at yet another Jowua accessory. This time it's the Jowua tire inflator. And the nice thing about this kit is it also comes with these metallized tire valve caps, which we'll install in a bit. But let's go take a look at the actual tire inflator itself. So the inflator comes in this really handsome carrying case. And while this isn't the first tire inflator we've featured on this channel, it probably is the nicest packaging that I've seen. So let's just open this up and see what we have. So it looks like we actually have the Jowua tire inflator itself. It's kind of in this hexagonal shape. You also have, looks like a USB-C charging cable, the valve stem connector itself, and various connectors, including looks like a Schrader valve connector, a recreational ball connector, and some other ones. It's nice that it's all neatly compartmentalized in this carrying case. All right, so to turn on the unit, you basically just hold down the hexagonal button in the center. It turns on, and the reading that you have at the bottom is the PSI reading. And you can also change various settings. Right now it's in car mode, and there's also motorcycle mode, bike mode, and ball mode. And I think the difference between all four of these settings is the maximum PSI that you can set. So this is mostly going to be used for a car, so I'll just keep it in car mode. And you can adjust the PSI using the plus or minus signs. And on the top of the unit, you have a flashlight, which you can activate using this button. It's a nice touch. It also has the USB-C charging port, and you also have an air hose connector at the top. So let's connect the air hose. Just screws on. The nice thing about this unit is it's USB-C, so just plug it into the top. You can plug it into any USB-C outlet. In this case, we're plugging it into a USB-C outlet provided by Jowua using this USB hub. So when it's time to inflate the tires, you'll note that there's a clip-on valve attachment rather than a screw-in type, so it makes it easier to affix the air hose to the tire valve stem. And you can pick the PSI based on the buttons on the screen. So you basically just set the desired PSI, start the inflation process, and the inflator stops once it reaches the desired PSI. In terms of speed, I don't notice it being any slower or faster than any of the other inflators that we've reviewed on this channel. So no extra charge, Jowua includes these tire valve stem covers. They're metallized and far more premium than the plastic ones that typically come with tires. They're really easy to install. I mean, if you can screw in a tire valve cap, you can screw in one of these onto your own tires. So finally, we're going to compare the Jowua tire inflator to our current favorite tire inflator, the Fantic X8 Apex tire inflator. There's a lot of similarities between the two. There's 4 different settings that you can choose from. The one difference between the two is the air hoses. The Jowua unit uses an air hose that is a clamp-in style, whereas the air hose for the Fantic unit is kind of a screw-in type. So in terms of ease of use, the Jowua takes it here in that the clamp-in style is much easier and faster to affix to an automotive tire than the Fantic is. But in terms of other features, there's really not much of a difference. They both have a light on the top of the unit. You can double as a flashlight. They can both be charged by USB in the vehicle. So the other area where the Jowua unit shines compared to the Fantic unit is just the storage case. So you'll note that Jowua's storage case is far more robust than what Fantic provides. It's a semi-hard shell that's secured with a zipper, and it has compartments for
the various attachments, whereas the Fantic unit is essentially just a bag that still accomplishes the same goal, but it's just not as robust as Jowua's storage case. It's important to know that Fantic also includes the same attachments as Jowua, so you really can't go wrong with either one of these units. But as of the recording of this video, Jowua's unit is far less expensive than the Fantic unit, and it includes the metallized tire caps. That's something that Fantic doesn't include in their unit. So those are two considerations. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these. I think the larger picture is that it's important to have a tire inflator in your vehicle for safety reasons, and just to be able to keep your tires topped up at the recommended PSI at all times and not have to wait to go to a gas station or a tire shop. So if you're interested in picking up a Jowua tire inflator, there's a link in the description below. You'll get a discount with our code, and you'll help support the channel. So really appreciate you watching the video up to this point, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.